Choosing your installer is very important in today's market. We've got companies that are proven reputable. Having a reputable installer install your solar system is just as important as installing good quality products. I think there's a very big difference between the mentality of a good quality installer versus a standard or the generic installer. Finding someone who's going to take a bit of pride in their work, treat your home as if it's theirs, and do the right thing is really important. Yeah, systems designs are very important. We've got the situation that we're in where whilst a lot of solar systems are very similar, there are the challenges that we get from special needs. We take control of those system designs. We're qualified to do so. We're able to site-specifically design solar systems for customers' needs. Those key factors are what make us very different to the generic or average installer. If a customer's to choose an installer, we do encourage that they do their research. Make sure the company is reputable. Choosing the right installer is very important. Choosing the wrong installer is certainly a case which we do see a lot of. A good part of our business is fixing up solar systems that have been installed by others and either are not operating correctly or need significant changes to make them operate.